Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to use ManyChat for Shopify in 2025. Now, ManyChat helps you automate the messages, recover abandoned carts, and boost the sales with chat marketing. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to come here on manychat.com. Over here, you need to log in into your account if you have already the account on ManyChat, or if you don't have an account here, you can just simply create one with the help of your email address. So once you are inside your ManyChat dashboard, you need to hover over to the left hand section, then click on the option of settings. So once you do this, by default, you will be here on the general section, but you need to just scroll down a bit, and in the extensions, you need to try to find integrations. So once you click on the option of integrations, you will find a bunch of different applications that you can basically integrate over here. We have Facebook, then we have Google Sheet, Hotmart, ChatGPT, Claude, DeepSeek, Clovio. Then you can just scroll down and try to find Shopify over here. So once you are able to find Shopify here, you need to click on the option of connect. Then you will be redirected here in your Shopify store. You need to make sure that you log in into your Shopify dashboard so that you could get the authorize option. So once you see the authorize option from ManyChat to your Shopify store, you need to authorize it in order to connect ManyChat with Shopify store effectively. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, you can just let me know that in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.